I bow with deep respect to Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, the great patriot and poet whose immortal creation Vande Mataram continues to inspire the spirit of nationalism and unity in every Indian heart even after a century and a half. I sincerely thank our Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Justice Sri Aparesh Kumar Singh Garu for gracing this occasion with their valuable presence and inspiring words that have rekindled our patriotic favor. On behalf of Telangana High Court Advocates Association, I extend heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Judges of High Court for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. I thank Learned Advocate General Sri A. Sudarshan Reddy Garu. I thank Additional Advocate General Sri Muhammad Imran Khan Garu. I thank Additional Advocate General Sri A.R. Radhikant Reddy Garu. I thank Additional Solicitor General of India Sri B. Narasimha Sharma Garu. I thank Deputy Solicitor General of India N. Bhujangarao Garu.